Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a
I woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Ooh. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV.
The shield of faith, whereby we quench the fiery darts of the wicked. So says the word of God. Blessed assurance.
Jesus is mine.
Jesus is mine. You'll see.
Good morning. Happy Christmas Eve, you guys. Happy Christmas Eve, you guys. So we getting ready to head out, and I just wanted to pop in real quick and say, hey guys, hi.
TV, we can do what we wanna do. Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you.
Just like that, we made it to our hotel. We made it to our living quarters for the weekend, and we got a real standard king size suite, as you guys can see. Just a standard room. And I don't know if I showed you guys the outfit for today, but I got on my Chelsea boots. And I got on these black jeans right here that I got from Old Navy. Shirt from Old Navy. I think this is just a plain white top. And I'm accessorizing with my Christmas Apple Watch. You guys have already seen that. And then I've accompanied this with the infamous Bottega dupes. Compliments of Shine, aka Shein. Y'all know they already got this right on Instagram about that. People say Shine, but it's actually Shein. So yeah, this is what I'm looking like for today. And we are getting ready to now that we're checked in, we're getting ready to go to my husband's family house to celebrate. We're gonna do Christmas. We're doing Christmas with them today. The drive was not that bad at all, you guys, and I was kind of getting teary-eyed a little bit on the drive down here because I was just thinking about my mom and my dad, and just this will be my first Christmas without either of them. And I tried to hold back the tears, but I prayed and asked God just to comfort me, because it feels kind of weird coming back home and my dad's not here. But I know God's gonna comfort me. This is be the first Christmas, so y'all know the first everything when you lose a loved one is kind of tough. But nevertheless, I know that God is still able, and He's going to be there with me, be here with me. I still got family and friends that I can really lean and depend on right now. And yeah, guys, I'm trying to make the best of this weekend as much as possible. Yeah, so I'll see with you guys. I don't know exactly when I'll be able to pick up the camera. I don't know, because I don't my husband's side of the family know I vlog or whatever, but I'm not really too keen with just picking up the camera and putting it in their face like that. So I don't know how much of footage I'll be able to get whenever I get with them, but certainly I'll probably be able to record some of my niece and my nephew so you guys can see them, see how big they've gotten. But anyway, so yeah, I'll call y'all back. Who's that?
Me?
In your hand.
No.
You want a meatball?
No, thank you. So y'all probably haven't seen her in a while, but she a big girl now. This is the one that, if y'all ever remember me wearing my shirt to say Aunt Lovely existed in 2019. This is the result of that. She's the first one that made me auntie.
I do sacrifice for anymore.
You do what?
I do sacrifice for anymore.
Oh, you don't suck a pacifier anymore.
Yeah.
She's a big girl now. She don't suck pacifiers no more, y'all.
Can't see the same up. Some salad plates, grab an extra just in case anybody wants some salad. Zuppa, you want cheese on the zuppa?
Yes, please.
Okay.
You can just put the rest of the block on there. Yeah, that's good.
Spaghetti and grapes. You want cheese on your spaghetti? Good. You're welcome, bud. Just tell me when, okay?
Move your plate. Move that plate.
Oh. Just do that. There you go.
Ooh, what you got? What else you got?
You got the tour of Italy.
What else you got? Grapes and what else?
I'm going line. Just tell me.
Spaghetti. It looks delicious.
Pardon me.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.